Finding accommodation in London can be difficult, especially one that's safe, trustworthy, and suited to career-focused study. GradPlus takes that hassle away, giving you a community and support system designed especially for postgraduates.
With all accommodations situated in central London, GradPlus places you in the heart of one of the world's best student cities.
Is the proximity to both university and also organizations and companies that we want to network at.
Makes it easier to stay motivated because you're surrounded by other postgraduate students.
Being at King's Accommodation, you'll receive the perfect next step towards your future in a design-led home that supports calm and quiet study.
You'll live in a postgraduate community with spaces uniquely designed for socializing and bedrooms built for independence.
The fact that there are these weekly programs, networking lunches, it's just a great way to meet other people, make connections, make friends.
I have so many different friends from different nationalities. I don't think that would have been possible anywhere else.
I felt very open to a lot of students who are from a very different backgrounds. The GradPlus program really supports you and tries to help you fit in this environment.
Your GradPlus rent covers all the essentials like maintenance, bills, and contents insurance, as well as exclusive lifestyle perks like special discounts, bespoke events, and gym membership. Plus, there's round-the-clock security, so you can focus on what matters.
Whether it's the curated program of social and personal development events designed especially for postgraduates, or the attentive and understanding well-being support team.
It makes your life so much easier considering you're doing such an intense degree.
It's just hassle-free and seamless, and you just get to enjoy the experience as soon as you get here.
Everything you need to progress, learn, and grow, all while creating unforgettable memories.
Set yourself up for success at King's with a GradPlus residence.